Welcome. If you want to get TFT mobile on your Huawei P40 Lite 5G without the Google services, for the first you have to get the second smartphone, and right here you have to download this game. Of course you have to get access to the Play Store, and after that you have to also get the phone clone application to transfer data. There's the name of the app, and if you are using the Huawei smartphone, Huawei or the Honor smartphone like me, you will get this application as default on the both smartphones. So on the P40 Lite 5G, here it is, and also on my Huawei P30 Pro. So when you get both apps, you have to open it. On the smartphone with the Play Store, you have to select this is the old phone, and on the P40 Lite 5G, you have to tap this is the new device, receive data. Right now you have to select the old device type, so in my case I'm going to tap on the Huawei, but when you are using other Android smartphone like Samsung or LG, you have to click on it. Right now we can connect in the two ways. We can input password manually and we can scan the code. Of course the password is right here. And now the smartphones are connecting, so we have to wait. And right now we have to unselect other things. Scroll down at the bottom when you can find apps and data, click right here, and now just find TFT mobile. Here it is, so select, click OK, tap transfer, click OK one more time, input your currently logged method, click OK, tap finish, and right now we are going to check if it is working. Okay, I just forgot to turn on the Wi-Fi. Oh, it's very important to use it when we are going to play the multiplayer games. So let's enter one more time. And as you can see right now, we are able to log into the Google account and the Riot account. Of course, when you go for the Google, it's not going to work because there's no Google services on the smartphone. So you have to go for the Riot account, log in, and after that you will be able to download update of the game and start the game. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.